Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, we are going to discuss about joint probability concept. So joint probability sometimes is also called as addition theorem. So joint probability is the probability of the event B occurring at the same time that the event A occurs. Event B occurring at the same time event A occurs. Consider an experiment. In that experiment, event A whose outcomes are A1, A2, A3 and so on, A1, AN, and second experiment B that event B outcomes are B1, B2, B3 and so on, BM. If two experiments, capital A and capital B are the two experiments, if two experiments A and B have some common elements, they are not mutually exclusive. That is, those elements corresponding to the simultaneous occurrence or joint occurrence of the experiments capital A and capital B. The probability of A intersection B. So this probability of A intersection B sometimes is also denoted as simply probability of AB. A intersection B is also denoted as AB. Probability of A intersection B or probability of A denotes or represents the probability of the simultaneous occurrence of the events A and B. Probability of A intersection B is the probability of the simultaneous occurrence of the events A and B. So this is called joint probability or compound probability of the two events. So mathematically, and it is given by probability of A intersection B is equal probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A union B. It is also called as law of addition of probability or addition theorem. So this expression is also written as this probability of A union B is coming to the LHS side. We have plus probability of A union B. This probability of A intersection B is going to the RHS side. We have minus probability of A intersection B. So this equation may also be written as probability of A union B is equal probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So now here two experiments capital A and capital B have some common elements. They are not mutually exclusive events. Okay. So therefore this probability of A union B is less than or equal to probability of A plus probability of B. So now here the two experiments or the two events capital A and capital B are mutually exclusive events. So mutually exclusive events mean those two experiments there are no common elements. So there are no common elements mean A intersection B is equal to null set. So A intersection B is equal to pi. So taking the probability on both sides, probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of pi. But we know that the probability of pi is always 0. So therefore probability of A intersection B is equal to 0. So applying this condition into this equation, we get probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. So joint probability condition is probability of A in B is equal to probability A plus probability of B. What is that meaning? If events A and B are mutually exclusive events. So this is the concept of joint probability or addition theorem.